back here with another video. On today we'll be talking in detail about the OnePlus 60. I don't know why. OnePlus is always unbeatable when it comes to speed. Well, that's enough for this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Well, thanks for watching and I'll be back with the next video.